Okay guys, it's Sunday. I have not vlogged this weekend at all. I think I vlogged yesterday a little bit, but that was just very minimal. Anyway, fast forward to now. I'd like to say that we are going to give Lynnette her first bath. We went to the shop and got her a shampoo, catnip infused shampoo and stuff. And yeah, I'd like to see how that goes. So she's been chilling downstairs at the moment. Not knowing what's awaiting her. I'm going to run the bath now and see how it all goes, and I hope to be able to film some of it. It'll be fun to watch it later, I guess. Yeah, looking forward to that. I just ran a bath and I'm hoping that half the palm size is good enough of a height. Water is quite warm, it's not hot and it's not cold. I'm hoping it's a good temperature. Maybe I'm supposed to be measuring it somehow, but it just feels really lukewarm, you know? Not too hot, not too cold. I'm actually planning to get her like a rubber duck or a toy to play with or some shit. Let's do this. By the way, I found a towel that is kind of soft for her. That would be her towel from now. And I also had a hairdryer to just dry her warm right after. I think that's just what you're supposed to be doing. I think she'll get cold otherwise. She never meows. She meows when she needs to call me. Oh. Oh no, darling. No, it's okay. Promise you. It's okay. What if she starts swimming? Scary. It's okay. I promise you. Lynnette? Lynnette, darling. Lynnette, darling. So she lies next to it?
One second.
What we've done now is she really didn't like the hairdryer, so put her on top of my hot water bottle. Covered her with some stuff, hoping to, you know, she seems to be liking that warmth. She started licking herself. It's a good sign. You smell now? You smell now? Do you want me to put it for me? What if I put it there?
Yeah.
Maybe she's scared of hurting me. She cut me so much. She proper cut me. But it's okay. She was under so much stress. I really don't care. So I've decided to play some purring cat mother music, background music, and she actually, I hope she likes it. I hope it's really soothing for her, but she seems to be doing really well. She's licked herself a lot already, and she is sat on top of a super warm hot water bowl. I guess it's hers now, and I've been giving her some treats as well, so she has a better experience. been an hour now, and Lynnette seems to be super relaxed and super chill. As a first video of this segment, I'm actually going to show her first bath. I will then try to montage the first official video that should have been montaged before this one, of me actually getting the kitten and first couple of days, first week, and all of that kind of stuff. But I'll do that later. I have all the footage ready. However, today will be all about her having her first bath ever. Hope you like it, and yeah, thank you so much for stopping by.